Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we've got something really exciting to unbox and review, the VAYDEER One-Handed Macro Keyboard with 9 programmable keys. This compact and fully customizable keyboard promises to simplify and make your productivity and gaming experience more convenient. So let's dive right in. But first things first, let's take a look at the packaging. The VAYDEER Macro Keyboard comes in a sleek and sturdy box. On the front you can see an outline image of the keyboard and some key features highlighted on the back of the package. Opening it up, we are greeted with the setup guide, which has tons of useful information. I advise you to read it thoroughly before using the macro keyboard. Next, we've got the keyboard itself, nicely protected in foam padding. Let's carefully take it out of the box. The outer shell is made from aluminum and plastic and it feels quite solid and well built. As I said, we have a total of 9 fully programmable buttons. The switches are essentially MX-style cherry blue switches. They're quite clicky as you can hear and provide a nice feedback. But let's not jump ahead, we'll explore its features in just a moment. Underneath the keyboard we have some important accessories, including a USB-A to USB-C cable and a nice little USB-A to USB Type-C adapter. Now that we have unboxed it, let's actually talk about the key features of this macro keyboard. First off, of course, it is compact size, it fits perfectly in one hand and it doesn't take up any space in your setup, making it ideal for gamers and professionals looking for a portable solution. The standout feature here are of course the 9 fully programmable keys. You can customize them to perform various tasks, macros or shortcuts, giving you a real edge in productivity tasks and gaming. The build quality is also pretty good, the keyboard feels solid and the rubber feet ensure plenty of grip. Now setting up the VAYDEER Macro Keyboard is as simple as it gets. We just have to plug in the USB-C cable and we are pretty much good to go. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac devices. Alright guys, so let's put the keyboard to the test and see how it performs. I've downloaded the VAYDEER app from their website and this is the UI. Our keyboard is plugged in and it's highlighted as you can see, so we just have to click on it. This leads us to the main setup page. At the center we have the keyboard with all 9 programmable buttons and on the right we got all the presets, shortcuts and macro options. So I'm just going to delete my current layout and create a new one. First, the most simple thing we can do is assign any key. We have a list of pretty much all the keys found on the keyboard. For example, if I want to assign the delete key, I just have to drag and drop it on whichever button on the macro keyboard. Then we have to flash the keyboard to make the change active. Next, we have all the multimedia shortcuts like play, pause, volume up, volume down, etc. All the essential shortcuts like copy and paste. And we can create our own shortcuts as well. You can also create different text strings, which can be extremely useful. Just type in your desired text, assign it to any button on the keypad, and you can pretty much paste the text, simple as that. There's also an option for one-click start, where you can quick start different websites, apps and programs. For example, I have Adobe Premiere Pro assigned for one-click start and it's very convenient. Next, we can assign all the mouse buttons as well for extra flexibility. All the useful system shortcuts and widgets that just make your life so much more easier are also available to remap on the macro keyboard. Creating macros on the VAYDEER keyboard is also really simple. We have to hit record and type the button combinations you want macroed, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Once you press the button, the combination is being executed as you can see here. The macro I've created consists of 4 digits, 6, 1, 3 and 5, and it's being applied at every single button press of the macro keyboard. Now that would be extremely useful in certain video games where we have more complex button combinations. So guys, after testing the VAYDEER One-Handed Macro Keyboard, I must say I find it quite useful. Its compact design, programmable keys and overall build quality makes it a solid choice for both gamers and professionals. The possibilities with the programmable keys are pretty much endless, and it adds a whole new range of possibilities for your gaming experience or work. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, I've left a link in the video description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming and tech videos. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next video.